Hello students, today we will learn about adverb, the four parts of speech. What is adverb? A word that modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Why it is used? It is used to express manner, means how action happens, place where it happened, or time when it happened, or degree. A word that can modify a phrase, clause, or sentence. For example, the man ran quickly. It is telling about the action, how it happens. So it happened quickly means the man ran quickly. Key points: how it modifies a verb. For example, he sings loudly. How an adjective, very tall. How another adverb, ended too quickly. Here, too is an adverb. Even a whole sentence. Fortunately, I had brought an umbrella. Here, fortunately is modifying the whole sentence. Adverbs often end in ly. So to recognize them in a sentence, you can look at the end of the word. But some, such as fast, look exactly the same as their adjective counterparts. Now we will look at some common examples of adverb. Really, very, badly, yesterday. Sometimes, often used for degree, and early, late, soon, here, everywhere, etc. Examples: Tom Longboat did not run badly. Here, badly is an adverb. Tom is very tall. Here, very is an adverb used for adjective tall. The race finished too quickly. Here, too is used for an adverb quickly. Fortunate. Remember to subscribe my channel. Happy learning.